for these guys to finish. So be ready after this. Pilots, in this heat, go do me a favor, arm those drones. We're going live on the sound of the tone.
Good race.
Alright, looks like your leader in that technical section right now, second place right behind them.
Oh,
After lap one, leading the pack, Crazy Two right with him. The leader change back and forth, they go neck and neck, up and around. They're going third place, it's about to finish that first lap.
James Chilling at PV42.
There you go, all three pilots on that second lap. Three. Leader, first and second place, still neck and neck after that, going up and over the table section here. See who's going to be in the lead after this second lap.
Crazy Do 28.3.
Looks like Crazy Do
GFPV 30.6.
barely took it there on 2 laps. GFPV right behind there. Both pilots on that third.
there's somebody in front of me?
Huh?
Is there somebody in front of me?
Gap just in front of that third place pilot. See if they can maintain it. Up and over they go. It's a tight battle through the tight section. Let's see if they can hold it. Up and over they go.
A lot farther back than I was.
Oh, she just failed.
Yeah!
Wow.
I got it, didn't I?
Who got it? That was close.
I saw him pass. I didn't see him.
I come through.
He